In this video, we are going to install magnetic wireless backup camera provided by Autovox for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here we have your rear camera. It has a built-in 6,600 milliamp battery that can work continuously for up to 15 hours. For a continuous charge, you can purchase the optional solar-powered panel. We have your USB port for charging and your power button. On the front of the camera, here we have your 1080p camera with two IR LEDs with a 30-foot range. This here is your indicator light. On the rear is where you'll install your mounting bracket. You have two ways to mount it. You can use the included Z-shaped bracket, uninstall the 4 screws here, and go ahead and mount your Z-shaped bracket. You can also use the magnetic base directly onto the camera. Slide it in and lock it into place. Here we have your built-in antenna with a transmission range of up to 50 feet. Perfect for long trucks or trailers. This camera itself is rated at IP69K waterproof, and the camera can be adjusted 98 degrees. We have your 5-inch monitor. On the top, we have your antenna, again with a range of 50 feet. We have indicator lights on the side. On the other side, you have your up button, your menu button, and your down button. On the rear is where you'll install your suction mount bracket. It does include an extension antenna. Connect this end to the monitor and the antenna to the other end. Remove the protective covering and just screw it into place. And does include an adhesive, a 5-foot USB charging cable, a car charger with a camera activation, and a USB port, 4 self-tap screws and 2 anti-theft screws, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and use the magnets. We have strong magnets here. Find the location. So you want to make sure you stick the magnet on a flat surface so it doesn't move. Let's see how strong that magnet is. Next, we go ahead and install your suction cup mount. I'm going to put it in a slight angle so it's facing the driver. Make sure it's in the unlock position, and when you're ready, just clip down to lock it into place. Right there, push down, and then lock. So now that's nice and sturdy. Then we're going to go ahead and put your monitor on the bracket. Next, we go ahead and connect your power adapter. We're going to go ahead and align the arrows and connect it. I'm going to run the wires back to the front of the windshield and then tuck it in and hide the wiring. Let's go ahead and peel off the protective covering. Okay. As you can see, it automatically connects. Let's go ahead and hit menu. You can pair the camera just in case it gets unlinked. You can change the brightness and your contrast. You can mirror the image or you can flip the image. You can display sleep, how many seconds before the monitor shuts off, 120 seconds, 240 seconds, or never. You have your guidelines. You have the option to turn that on or off. And you can reset everything to factory settings. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.